Believe it or not, futuristic technology is already among us, and its technological advances and inventions promise million-dollar businesses and enormous impacts on our daily lives. Are you prepared to go into the future? Get ready, because in this video we will tell you what futuristic technology is and what futuristic inventions that will revolutionize the next decade. But before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. 1. Blockchain. Blockchain is without a doubt one of the technologies that will have the largest impact, not only because it has the potential to lead to new types of contracts between businesses and customers, but also because of the information exchanges that can occur between different entities. With blockchain technology, the enormous amount of data movement across thousands of connected computers around the world is additionally done safely and reliably, and is independently validated by community members using a security consensus based on cryptography. As a result, it will make it possible to quickly and cheaply send information to a variety of agents of interest, or to send money directly and securely. It will be especially important when smart contracts proliferate, since they can execute independently without the need for middlemen, triggering the activation of certain clauses or constraints when many predetermined circumstances are satisfied. 2. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, inundates reality with innumerable gadgets that are connected and the cloud, delivering all types of pertinent data from the environment, house, car, business, etc., that can later be handled with a wide range of utilities through advanced analytics. If we apply it to the corporate world, the possibilities are unlimited because it will enable us to gauge productivity, enhance task management, or speed up industrial operations. In other words, by creating operational models that are safer and more effective, products will be produced that better suit the demands of customers because their habits and the hazards to which they are exposed will be understood instantly. Only in the insurance industry have telematics initiatives, wearables in health, or home automation and sensors in multi-risk already been implemented. 3. Big data. The use of data analysis technologies under the big data model is not something that is going to happen in the coming years, but is already part of the agendas in the technological and business areas. And many infrastructures, tools, and services already operate to process large and complex information, the potential for growth of which is incalculable. Advanced analysis of data from all kinds of sources, be it messages on social networks, mobile signals, audio files, sensors, digital images, emails, etc., will allow companies to gain in-depth knowledge of consumers and their needs, adapting and personalizing their services and products, and creating new digital business models. However, while it only requires a small expenditure on the part of businesses to optimize their approach and finish a robust storage system, processing this enormous volume of information is its main challenge. Additionally, a substantial amount of information is obtained, much of it without regard to business, necessitating investment in a focused and practical data processing system. 4. Artificial intelligence. Robots, increasingly integrated into everyday life, are already capable of performing tasks that people normally perform, since they require human intelligence to be able to discern visually, recognize faces and speech, translate languages, or resolve small doubts. Chatbots already exist in many companies, a customer service capable of providing solutions to simple questions. And many financial institutions already use AI to organize operations, invest in shares, and manage properties. According to Tyrea's Deputy Director of Business Development, AI will be very useful in assessing risks, as well as in identifying fraud, although he believes that its incidence will occur in the long term, given its complexity. 5. Machine learning. As a further step in artificial intelligence, the algorithmic analysis of as much data as possible will result in the ability of machines to learn on their own based on this information and predict future behaviors or trends, as well as improve their performance autonomous. Until now, business intelligence was limited to gathering data from the past and classifying it to analyze the current situation and design future strategies through general behavior patterns. With machine learning, it will be possible to anticipate the behavior of each consumer individually, which will make it possible to design commercial campaigns and provide each one with a tailored product or service. Machine learning's main challenge for the future will be to obtain the maximum precision of the data, so programmers will have to guarantee the correct analysis of the same, although there are already intelligent algorithms that allow automating the data storage of various documents and carrying out analysis. Sectors as relevant as tourism, e-commerce, or marketing already rely on this technology to optimize their results and make intelligent use of the information with which to make better decisions. 6. Virtual and increased reality. While augmented reality maintains the existing tangible environment, incorporating technologically created elements, in virtual reality, the entire environment is computer-generated. Both one and the other are widely used in the field of entertainment, but in recent years they have begun to impact more and more business sectors, thanks to the digital reconstruction of contexts or situations. However, these technologies, so common in video games, have already spread to fields such as medicine, art, architecture, engineering, etc. Its fields of business application will be multiple, from training and security to production and marketing, since new procedures can be practiced, critical environments, simulated remote assistance to incidents, or remote maintenance of certain equipment. All this will reduce errors in the processes, speed up the preparation of tasks, and optimize product designs. 7. Autonomous vehicle. These vehicles incorporate technology capable of analyzing the environment through which they move through a series of sensors that will recognize all types of data that, once processed, will allow these cars to circulate with greater safety, efficiency, and performance than traditional ones, reducing the accident rate. According to a report by McKinsey & Co., autonomous cars could reduce accidents in the U.S. by 90% and save $190 billion in damages and costs per year. Without a doubt, it is one of the technologies that has been attracting the most expectations in recent times. There is no doubt that it will revolutionize the way of working in many sectors, from construction to logistics, including telecommunication services and travel agencies. 8. Biotechnology. Biotechnology has lived with us for decades, but its innovation potential is so high that, although it has been developing for some time, it is considered one of the technologies that will have the greatest impact in the future. Until now, technological applications that use biological systems and organisms to create or modify products or processes with specific uses have allowed genetic manipulation to cure diseases, the production of more suitable drugs, sustainable fuels, and even the creation of intelligent fabrics or enzymes for detergents and cosmetics that replace other components that are more harmful to the environment. But it has not been until the last decades that scientists from all over the world made the most important advances in this field, especially in the food, agriculture, and medicine industries. Its enormous innovative capacity glimpses the transformation of many of the sectors and daily uses that we know, such as the construction of sustainable infrastructures or the regeneration of all types of fabrics, both natural and artificial. 9. Wearables and monitoring tools. Although gadget lovers are the most enthusiastic about each new device that emerges, many companies are already interested in the advantages that wearables can offer to improve processes and gain efficiency and productivity. A large number of industrial sectors are already frequently adopting smart devices in their production centers. Through glasses or watches, together with technologies such as augmented reality, all kinds of information and resources necessary for the work to be carried out are received. Documentation is accessed and remote support is provided in real time without the need to take your hands away from the task at hand or divert your attention. All this will generate significant cost savings by reducing response times with remote support from experts and will reduce workplace accidents through step-by-step guidance in risky tasks and errors in the execution of complex jobs, also improving customer service in maintenance tasks, revision, or the resolution of incidents. With a very important challenge ahead, guaranteeing security in the management of business data in corporate networks and external computers. Given its association with the IoT, it makes it possible to store consumer behavior in real time in the fields of health and driving. 10. Drones. The global market for solutions using drones for various industries reached a value of $127,000 million worldwide in 2017, as revealed by the report Clarity from Above. Leveraging drone technologies to secure utility systems by PwC, in which it is highlighted that the use of this type of unmanned aerial vehicles. For years, drones have been aimed at recreational issues and are already beginning to transform how many companies build, operate, and maintain their networks. In addition, the regulatory changes on the use of drones in urban spaces, recently announced by the governments of some countries, will cause their use to skyrocket in our country. The flight speed and load capacity will revolutionize business in the logistics sector. But its advantages go further, since they will allow obtaining high-quality information in real time in a cost-effective manner, geospatial elevations in prior investment planning, and performing risky tasks in substitution of people or process monitoring. Construction and property management. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about luxury life secrets, the futuristic tech ideas that'll change our world in the comment section below. Thank you.